What's up, friends? Today I am reacting to Bloc Party and Helicopter. Never heard of this band, but they were suggested, so enough of my blah blah. Let's check this out. I know we're only 47 seconds in, but I'm really digging this song so far. It's a little on the punky side, little poppy, little rock and roll, but it's a really interesting mix. So got my attention right off the bat. I was going to say, it's a good thing I don't judge on quality of videos. This video sucks. As far as the quality, I'm sure it was an artistic decision, but the song's good enough. I can get past that. I'm really enjoying this, man. It's definitely different. Man, this song's, I'm liking it more as it goes on. There's just a lot of different layers to it. And I'm going to have to go back and listen to the lyrics more. This is my first time through, so I'm not catching everything. But I'm actually really liking this song. And there we go, Bloc Party and Helicopter. Like I said, there was a whole lot going on in that song. I'm sure if somebody didn't pay attention or they might not catch it and they just write it off. But I definitely want to hear more from them. It's that different, and I really like that. You know, sometimes people suggest stuff and they go, well, it's different. Oh, it's different. But in this case, this person didn't tell me anything, just asked me to react to the song. I did. I'm pleasantly surprised. So there we go. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. Make someone laugh if you get the chance. Don't forget to tell your friends and family each and every time you leave that you love them. You just never know, and that's going to be the last chance you get to tell them. Be safe, people. We are living in some crazy ass times. Till next time, I am Bob Sixx. Peace.